Hi, Home Learning Heroes. Welcome to my channel, Home Learning Heroes on YouTube. I'm very excited to be here with you today, and I know that you might be stuck at home, but that doesn't mean we can't do some learning. So today, I'd like to read a big book, and I'm very excited about that, but I need you to read along with me at home, and then we can get better. We're going to read it 2 times. The first time we'll go nice and slow, and we'll look at all the words and make sure we understand what's happening in the story. And then we'll read it again, and this time we'll add a lot of energy and make it sound really nice. So, if you can see on your screen, you have a red dot. We're going to follow along with the red dot as we read. Let's start with the title of our story today, A Paper Plate Mask. And I can see already there are 2 characters, 2 girls in my story, and they're doing something. Let's have a look together. Remember to read along with me. Here we go. My name is Kimmy. I have a friend. Her name is Jenny. Already we have our orientation. We know who is in our story, Kimmy and Jenny. We also know where our story is. I can see from the picture they're in the classroom, and maybe it's during the day. Let's go on. On this page, we have another character. It looks like a teacher to me, and she is saying something. Let's look and see what she says. Can you make a paper plate mask? And look what she's holding. It's a paper plate mask. Down at the bottom now, we can read. This is Miss Ip. I-P. Ip. She is our teacher. Very good. Let's look. Looking at the picture now, we can see on the whiteboard, we need, and she has a list. Let's read all the things we need to make our paper plate mask. A paper plate, colored pencils, colored paper, colored pencils, glue, scissors. I wonder, do you have all these things at your home? Maybe at the end you can make a paper plate mask too. Down at the bottom, what can we do? On the board, she has the steps. She labels the steps number 1. Let's read at the bottom. What do we do first? Take a paper plate. Draw eyes on the paper plate. Draw a nose on the brown paper. Draw a mouth on the red paper. Draw ears on the pink paper. There's a lot of different color papers. Draw hair on the yellow paper. Cut out the nose. Now she has scissors. No more drawing, trying to cut. Ready? Cut out the mouth. Cut out the ears and the hair. What step are we on right now? Number 9. It's a lot to do. Glue the nose and the mouth on the paper plate. Glue the ears and the hair on the paper plate. We have a mask for Miss Ip. Look at that mask. That looks a bit silly. I like it. Well done. Now, here is a list of all the words from the story that we need to know. And there's some high frequency words too, which we should practice. So let's read them together, going down the line. Kimmy, friend, name, Jenny, Miss Ip, teacher, paper, plate, mask, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hair, glue, pink. Good job. Now let's try the high frequency words. Let's read them together too. My, is, I, have, her, this, she, our, can, you, make, what, we, and the next column over here. Do, take, draw, on, the, brown, red, yellow, cut, out, and for. Good job. Now you can go back in the video and put it on pause and see if you can read all those words by yourself. Good job, kids. Now we're going to go back to the beginning and we're going to read it a second time. This time we're going to read it a little faster and try to put a little bit more energy into our voices. So see if you can follow along with me. Are you ready? A paper plate mask. My name is Kimmy. I have a friend. Her name is Jenny. This is Miss Ip. She is our teacher. Can you make a paper plate mask? What can we do? Take a paper plate. Draw eyes on the paper plate. Draw a nose on the brown paper. Draw a mouth on the red paper. Draw ears on the pink paper. Draw hair on the yellow paper. Cut out the nose. Cut out the mouth. Cut out the ears and the hair. Glue the nose and the mouth on the paper plate. Glue the ears and the hair on the paper plate. We have a mask for Miss Ip. Good job. All right, welcome and thank you for coming to my channel to read a story with me. Please come back soon and we'll have more stories to read. All right, till next time, bye-bye.